Prince Harry will reportedly extend an olive branch to King Charles by asking him to open his Invictus Games in the UK. Prince Harry desperately wants Charles at Invictus, and he wants him to open the games alongside him, a source told The Sun. They explained that Harry will fulfill a dream by taking the stage alongside the monarch at the opening ceremony in 2027, in comments published Friday. Sources told the outlet that Prince Harry, 41, and King Charles, 77, are keen to put an end to their years-long rift, which came to a head when Harry and his wife Meghan Markle, 44, quit the royal family to move to Montecito, California in 2020. It is appropriate because Invictus is returning to the UK for the first time since 2014, and given Charles is head of the armed forces, a source for the outlet explained. Invictus always invites heads of state, but Harry wants to go further with Charles involved in the opening ceremony. The games represent a cause close to both hearts. The source said the father-son duo appear to want a reconciliation and noted that the games are a perfect opportunity for them to work alongside each other. The sight of them on stage when it opens would be heartwarming and in the spirit of the occasion, they said. The insider added that those who are helping to plan the games are convinced Harry's dream will happen, and that they are planning for Charles to play a role in the opening ceremony, which will take place in Birmingham. Prince Harry established his Invictus Games back in 2014 as a Paralympic-style competition event for wounded or otherwise impacted service men and women. Next year's event will run from July 10th through July 17th, 2027, concluding on Queen Camilla's 80th birthday. Planning committees are aware of Camilla's birthday and hope Charles will be able to do the opening and attend events while still honoring commitments to his wife, a source said. The events, they noted, are planned way in advance, and there have been meetings and conference calls about the 2027 Invictus pretty much since the last ones in Vancouver finished. The Sun source shared that Harry is involved across every detail of what is going on with Invictus. He is buoyed with the thought of opening the games with his father, and there are hopes that other royals will attend, they continued. It would be fitting as they are in Birmingham. In June, the Daily Mail reported that the Duke of Sussex planned to invite other family members as well. Harry has agreed that Invictus should extend an invitation to his family, a source told the outlet in June, adding that Invictus hopes the royal family will come along to support the wounded veterans taking part. Prince Harry and King Charles reunited for the first time in over a year back in September, when the pair met for a summit at Clarence House for a private tea. Prior to that, they met up in February 2024 after the monarch announced that he was receiving treatment for cancer. Prince Harry is said to be traveling to the UK later this month for his court case against Associated Newspapers, (ENL), though a source told earlier this month that timing could be very tight, and thus extremely difficult to plan anything other than the trial. Another source told us that the king will likely be in Scotland when the Duke of Sussex arrives, making it unlikely they'll meet up for a visit this month. As we wrap up the story, what makes this moment so compelling isn't just the possibility of Prince Harry and King Charles sharing a stage. It's what that image would represent after years of distance, disappointment, and very public tension. The Invictus Games have always stood for resilience, healing, and unity in the face of adversity, and in many ways, they now mirror the very journey Harry and his father seem to be cautiously taking toward one another. If this olive branch does come to fruition, it would mark a powerful turning point. Seeing the King of the United Kingdom and the founder of Invictus standing side by side in Birmingham would send a message far beyond royal protocol. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.